Just set up your camera on your tripod. Okay?
We've all gazed up at the night sky, amazed by its beauty. For a few of us, it grew into an obsession that's taken us places with just the most breathtaking skies to shoot.
I got it! I got it, man! I got it too!
As a writer, and even as a photographer, you're driven by the same patience and obsession to find a way to see the best views, even if it means riding all the way to Zanskar and all across Changthang. Astrophotography is about patience. You slow down the shutter speed, you open the aperture to its widest, so that the camera, just like you, is more open to the moment it's about to witness. When you actually reach here, that's when you realize that you have a beautiful planet under your wheels and a million stars above, and suddenly you're one with the whole universe.
Do you guys remember the settings I mentioned?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, students, tell me the settings. What is the settings? Tell me.
25 to 30.
Okay.